It's day four, day four, day four. I'm feeling more energized today. I don't know. The past couple of days I'm like, why did I do this to myself again? But welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves with your host with the most. You know I had to. Come on. It's giving Rapunzel. I don't know. Today I feel like Regina George. Like
Evil
I'm about to
takes
grab
a
my
human
book.
form in Regina George.
You know, whatever she does, be me. Song of the day, jumping right into it. Movement, mama, you make me better. Wow, that's not the title. The song of the day is Make Me Better by Fabulous featuring Neo. I literally thought it was a Neo song. So now I know it is not a Neo song. And don't forget to like this video because this is about community and we need more people to see the videos to join the challenge, tap into themselves. And yeah. Oh wait, if you're new here, this is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day as we show up for like 10 minutes, spreading love and light with words of affirmation, sharing our favorite songs and our music tastes, and picking each other's brains by answering some cool questions. So what is today's question for the day? Picking your brain for the day. I want to know what has been inspiring you lately, if anything. Have you felt inspired lately? And I feel like I've asked this question before, but it's a new month and tomorrow's literally daylight savings, so we're entering like a new season. Into the affirmations, your favorite part of the day. We are going to touch on all the chakras today, just in a little bit, just in a little way. And then for the next 7 days, I already knew it. For the next 7 days, we'll dive into each chakra and then like say affirmations for each chakra. So we're going to start with roots, then sacral, then solar plexus, then heart, then throat, then third eye, then crown. Yeah. So we're just going to touch on each one of them today. And as you know, take some like, can I speak English? And as you know, we're going to take 3 breaths, and on the 3rd breath, make it your deepest one for the day. Okay, ready? Boom, let's do it. And not me inhaling before I said inhale. Okay, ready? Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it deep. And inhale. And exhale. Okay, diving into root chakra affirmations. I am connected and grounded through the earth. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is coming my way. I live in abundance and allow it to flow to me. I am at peace in the world in which I live. I have a healthy body, mind, and soul. I am confident and courageous and understand that I can do anything I put my mind to. We're going to say that one again because I wasn't sure if you actually meant it. I am confident and courageous and understand that I can do anything I set my mind to. I know that's right. Come on. I am worthy of respect. I move in integrity and honor my word. I know that my presence has purpose. There is a reason that I am here because my journey and my story are still being written. At this moment, here and now, I am grounded and at peace. I feel like the world just stopped for a second. I trust, know, and understand that the universe will always provide. I trust, know, and understand that God will always provide for me. Feel free to say universe if you don't believe in God. Moving on to the sacral chakra affirmations. Creative energy flows through me freely. My relationships are based on mutual respect and appreciation. Say it with some girth. My relationships are based on mutual respect and appreciation. Everyone around me shows up to pour into me. Everyone around me hears me when I speak. Now just diving into the throat affirmations. Okay, the throat chakra affirmations. It is safe for me to get close to other people. It is safe for me to get close with other people. To open up to other people. Don't be scared. I allow others to be who they are, as they are. I use resources to be uplifted and share positivity with others. Inspiration is always flowing to me, and I act on ideas that I receive. That's a really good one. Inspiration is always flowing to me, and I act on any ideas that I receive. I am blessed to have the ability to think for myself. I trust my loved ones and know that they can trust me. I nurture myself emotionally and take full responsibility for my own happiness. You know we're going to say that one again. I nurture myself emotionally and take full responsibility for my happiness. I am capable of experiencing so much joy. Okay, we might just have to dive into the solar plexus affirmations a little bit because the video is getting long, but you know there's always tomorrow. Okay, let's move in. Let's dive in. I feel calm, confident, and powerful. I feel calm, confident, and powerful. One more time so you can really feel it. I feel calm, confident, and powerful. I am ready to face any challenges because I know they are merely opportunities for me to succeed. I am ready to face any challenge because I know it is merely an opportunity for me to succeed. I am walking in my purpose and I feel amazing. One more time. I am walking in my purpose and I feel amazing. I know that the only thing I have to control is how I respond to situations. I create positive change in my life. And with this last one, we're gonna say it 3 times. Woo! Okay, ready? I am worthy just as I am. I am worthy just as I am. Last time. I am worthy just as I am. Thank you guys for spending time with me. I'll see you tomorrow.